Today I have Paul here. Paul has my level 1A book, but he's never used it. And so we're going to do the first song together and you get to watch. Okay, hi Paul. How are you? Good. Are you ready to play piano? Okay, can you get your book out? Your book that looks like this? Very good. Can you open it up to page 7? Should say page 7 at the top. That's right. And you see all the colors? Okay, now get your piano template out that looks like this. Your little keyboard. Get your little keyboard out. Okay, and you're going to put it on the piano just like the picture shows. It'll only go in one spot, so right in front of you. Good job. That's right. Push it up between the keys. Yep, you got it. Good work. Okay, and then you're going to turn one more page. And then you're going to put that in front of you so you can look at the music, okay? Can you lay that in front of you?
Yeah.
That's good. That's perfect. As long as you can stay, keep it. Can you keep it open? There you go. That's what I'm going to do too. I'm going to lay it right here. Okay. So, do you see all the colored lines on the page? On the second page there? What colors are they?
Red, yellow, and green.
And what?
Yellow and green.
Yellow and green? Do you see red, yellow, and orange?
Yeah, I mixed up yellow and red.
That's okay. Okay, so we have yellow, orange, and red, don't we? Okay, now look at your book and tell me, are all those colored lines, you can leave it there, that's fine. Are all those colored lines the same length or are they different lengths? Are some short and some long? In your book,
Short, some long.
some short and some long, that's right. Okay, first of all, I'm going to play it for you, and you listen, and I want you to point to each of the lines as I play. Can you do that for me? Point to them in your book. You ready? Okay, I'm going to play it. Ready? Yellow, orange, red. In your book. Yellow, orange, red, 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 orange, 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 yellow, orange, red. Okay, now it's your turn to play it. At the top of the page, what's the first color? Yellow, okay? So point to that and play the yellow. Ready? Good. Now point to the orange. And then the red. Good. The next line, yellow. Oh, the yellow on the next line. See here? Right here. Yellow. Good. Orange. Good. Red. Big long red. Hold it a long time. Ready? Good. And then we go down here to these short red. Ready? Red. 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 Orange. 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 Keep going. More short orange. 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 yellow, orange. That's the yellow. Orange, red. Good job. Okay, you played your first song. Good work. Can you give me a high five in the air? Yay! Okay, can you do it again with your mom there? And maybe she can point to the colors. But here's what I want you to do. I don't want your mom to say the colors. I want you to have to look at it. So she can point to the note that you're supposed to look at, and then you say the color and play it. Okay, let's try again from the beginning. Are you ready, Paul? So you say the colors though this time, okay? Say the colors for me.
Yellow.
Good. Good. Very good. That time was better. Okay, so you can practice that with your mom this week and make sure you say your colors every time you practice, okay? And then you have a good week. We'll talk to you later. Bye.